Let me share my screen.
I can see the solution again.
Okay, so let's wait for a minute actually, if anybody is coming. Let's start then. Yes. Sorry, what you said, Nivan?
By the chat timer.
What is it?
Chat timer.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. The chess clock.
Yes.
Yeah, you can if you want. But for now, actually, are you participating in any tournaments? Is your mom, dad around?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, ma'am, actually, let's wait for some time. Okay. For now, what you can do, you can install the app, chess clock app in the mobile. Okay. And for practice, you can use that. And when he actually starts participating in the tournaments, that time we will think of purchasing the chess clock. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir. Yeah. He was insisting, so I told him we'll check with sir.
No issues. By the time you can install the app. Yeah. Okay, Nivan. So again, this is a pin puzzle. Okay. What is pinned here? Can you see?
The bishop.
The bishop is pinned. Who has pinned the bishop?
Rook.
The rook has. Okay. But can you capture it now?
No.
No. So if it is white to play
H4, then we can
H4.
capture the rook.
Right. H4.
After H4.
Okay. But now I played this. What will you play now?
King F3.
King F3. Okay. Will you play F3 or will you capture this?
Capture.
Capture, right? Okay. Now
D4.
D4 again.
Now G5.
C5.
Yes.
Now what?
Rook captured A5.
Rook captures E5. Okay.
Rook to A6. F3. No, not F3, sir. Not F3.
Then
Play bishop to E3 and my rook will go and my king will be in check.
right. Correct.
Rook A5. The rook A5.
A5. Okay.
King G6. No, no. Rook H1.
Hello, Anay.
Hello. Rook A6. F3. G6.
Okay, Anay, you have to think from white side.
Rook G1.
Rook G1 check.
A8. No, not A8. Rook A7, not 8. Rook E1. Rook A6. King C7 check.
Can the king go to C7? Isn't it illegal? Ivan?
Yeah. King G5 then.
King C5 check. Okay.
King D5.
King D5.
Not rook. King D5.
King D5. Okay.
Rook A5.
Rook.
A5. King D C6. King G6.
Okay. There is a check. Okay. So maybe I'll come here.
Rook E6.
E6.
Rook A8. Rook H8. King D5. King E4. No, no, no. No, 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 sir. My rook. You will play rook to e3, then my rook will gone. King g4. King d4. Rook h. Rook h5. Rook h2.
You need to be careful, okay, Nivan?
Okay.
Anyways, here you are losing the game now, right? I can easily promote the pawn. I have rook, which I can exchange with the rook, and with the help of bishop and pawn, I can win the game, okay? So let's come back, okay? What is important here, Anay, you joined late, okay? So pay attention better. Here, the bishop is pinned, isn't it? Who has pinned the bishop? The rook, correct? So can we move the bishop? No. So we can take advantage of this and we will play the pawn to h4. Okay. Now can he capture the pawn? No, he cannot. Correct? So what he will do? He will give the check. Okay. You capture it. Now, if he captures back, okay, if he captures back, maybe you can give check from here. Now, where can he come? He cannot stay here, right? So he has either come here, he has to either come here or go here, right? Any of the place, suppose he chooses to come here, okay? Maybe you can capture this, correct? Now, what will he play? Black side. Maybe he can push the
Sir,
pawn. Yes, Nivan?
he will play g6, right?
Yes, g6, correct.
He will not play g6
No? What is the reason?
because we will play. Yeah, we can also not play. Yeah, king to e6 then.
King to e6,
Then
then
we
I'll
can
play
capture
this. No, I'll bring the rook, right? So if you try to capture, I will capture it back and then you cannot capture, right? Because then there is no double attack. Okay, that's the reason I will play the rook here. Okay, your thought was good, but then I identified what is your plan. You want to do the double attack and capture it. Okay, so this is the best move against it.
Yeah.
Okay, so now what will you do? Check. If you again try to do, this will result into draw. Okay, 3 times repetition is draw. Okay, but then what you have to do is, if he comes back, maybe you can exchange. Okay, give check. If he captures, good. If not, what he will do? He will either come here or what he will do actually? Either come here or go back. If he goes back, not good for him because now I will play this. This is again pinned, correct? He cannot move. But obviously he will not go back then. He will probably come here, right? In that case, maybe you can play here so that next time you capture this. If he comes, then again, this is pinned, okay? Capture, you cannot capture back. And okay, here white is winning then. Understood?
He can promote to a queen. He will cannot play h6. He will play king on g4 or h4. Then we will capture the pawn and give support.
Correct.
The rook can give the.
This is how it will go actually. Yeah. Maybe you can push. Sorry. What happened?
Yeah, the pawn will go on 6, not 4.
Right. It is going that side, correct? So why I played king in that case actually? I don't need to play the kings, right? I will simply play this. Because this is blocked line, he cannot do anything, right? Now it is very simple checkmate, right? Anay, can you do the checkmate? Let's see. Nivan, let us see how Anay does it now, yeah? Yes, Anay.
Queen h7.
Queen.
h7.
Why will you bring queen to h7? We need to checkmate the king, right? You can give check from here directly, right?
Black to move.
Okay, black will play first, right? Now what will you play, Anay? From white side?
Queen g5.
Queen g4. Check. He comes here. Check. He comes here. Now you will give. You cannot give check, okay? Otherwise the rook will get captured, right? So he plays here. Now you can give check. He comes here.
Go one back. You did not play g3.
Here.
You can play direct queen to b4. b4. No, not b4. Yeah. It will direct support the rook too.
Now what will?
Queen b3 like that you can say. Not b.
What you said? C3. Okay.
C or b will be white.
Yes. Now.
Now it will be a little more move.
Now what will you play from white?
Queen b2 and then rook a1.
Queen b2, correct. And rook a1 is checkmate, correct? Anay?
Correct.
Understood this?
Okay. Yes.
It would have been again done much faster way, okay? Nivan. Say for example, once you comes here, check, it comes here, okay?
No, we can also play this one back.
If he comes here, hold on. Let me tell, okay? Now bring the rook here, okay? we are doing a combination of rook and queen who are close to each other. Okay, they will support. Now there is no check. Okay, so he comes here, check. He comes here, check. Now where will he go? Comes here, check and mate. Was it much faster, Nivan?
Yeah.
Okay. Anay, understood?
Yes.
Yes, Nivan.
We can play. Can you go to again that position?
Yes. Okay.
Go back one. Yeah. You can play the king go to d4
D4. Yes.
and then you can play queen to d5.
Queen to D5. Okay. Next.
Check. Now we can play rook to a3. Now you can play queen to g2.
Queen to
g2
G2. Okay.
and rook a1.
Very good. This is also good. Correct. Okay. See, Anay, this is how you need to think, right?
The mistake.
What happened?
We didn't.
Correct. Okay. So in this case, what was important? Identifying that bishop is pinned, okay, and pushing the pawn. Okay. So that will help you win the game.
Lots of moves.
Right. Okay, kids. Let's so any questions related to pin as a tactic? Okay.
No.
We saw pin as a tactic and we solved mini puzzles based on that. Okay. Now today we will see the another puzzle that is called as knight fork. Okay. Now see, in this case, what is knight fork? Knight fork means knight giving the check and capturing the important pieces.
I got it. I got it.
Okay, what will you play in this case, Nivan?
Knight to g7, check to queen, check to rook, check to king.
Correct. Giving check to the king and then capturing the queen. Okay, or capturing any of these rooks. Okay, this is called as knight fork. What is this called? Knight fork. Okay.
Mama. Knight fork. Knight fork means shallow check.
When knight giving check to the king and capturing any of opponent's important piece is called as knight fork. Okay, just like a fork. Okay, the spoon which is having multiple threads, right? You must be using at home, kids, right? Have you used the fork at home? You use, grapes or fruits, right?
Number 4 on fork.
Correct. Okay. So when knight giving check to the king and capturing any of the important pieces is called knight fork. Okay. In this case, the knight is giving fork to the king and the queen, or in addition, it is giving the fork to the other rooks as well. Now, depending on the board position, you will decide what is important for us. Okay. Now, in this case, capturing the queen is important. Okay. So, accordingly, you can capture it. The next move, as soon as it moves, okay, you can capture it. And then probably suppose it captured and the game continues. Okay. So, this is called as knight fork. Okay. Let me take another example now. Here, what will you play now, kids? Here, from white to play. Anay, Nivan,
Sir, I got
yes,
it again.
yes. Anay, you are on mute. How will you fork now?
Knight
Hmm,
F5.
very good. Knight to F5.
That's what I
Okay. Yes, very good. Okay. So here we are giving check and capturing the queen. Okay. Let's continue this game, kids. Okay. Suppose he played this and now you captured. Okay. Let's continue now. After capturing, who should win now?
White.
White should win, right? But provided you are playing properly, wisely. Okay. Because there are 2 pawns on black side and 3 pawns on white side, plus there is a additional knight. Okay, so I will play from black side, you play from white side. Okay, and let us win this game. Okay, kids. Now black played, yes, knight to c8. Okay, now what you are trying to do is you are attacking here. Okay, so probably I will play this. Pawn to a4. Very good. You are blocking this pawn here. Okay. King f2. Okay.
Pawn B3.
Pawn b3.
Pawn B4. Knight B6. King E3. Knight G4. Knight B6. King E4. Knight D7. Knight B6. Knight D7. Knight B6.
This is drawn, Nivan. You have repeated 3 times.
Yeah, it will not work.
Right. Okay, coming back here, kids. Okay, now knight four, he played this, captured. Okay, and he played this. Okay, now what he will do? You will bring it here. Okay, don't worry, we have 3 pawns. Okay, suppose he comes here, just give the support to the knight. Okay, can he capture the knight now?
No.
No. Okay, now it is his turn. Suppose he plays this, bring the king. He plays this. Where will he come? Here. Okay, that's fine. Captured, captured. Push the pawn. Comes here. Push the pawn. Okay. Now let's play this. He captures. Bring the king. If he cannot play this actually because we will capture and we have support, right? So obviously he will make some other move, for example this. Okay, now you may capture it and he captures again. This is resulting into draw. Okay, because one knight and one king cannot checkmate. Okay.
Sir,
Yes,
we have 4 knights and we have a 1 king. Then we can win or not?
4 knights.
Yeah.
No, we cannot. I mean,
Why?
depends actually. If your opponent is having any pawn or king with the king, okay, then you can.
It will not have pawn.
Right. If you have 4 knights, there is probability yes, but 2 knights you cannot. Okay, because 4 knights can do the combination actually, and it can. Let us see. I don't know actually. I need to check, but yes, if more than 3 knights, you can checkmate actually. Okay, with the help of each other's support and all. But 2 knights you cannot unless and until your opponent
Or
is
10
having.
knights?
Mostly it will be same question as like 2
Like
knights.
10 knights we can win. But
Yes.
we have lots of knights.
Right. But then can you promote these many knights? Right.
We will capture all pawns with the queen.
But in that case, Nivan, will you not take the queen? Why will you go for knights? Right. It is just theoretical question. Practically, nobody will go for the knights, right? Obviously, you will take the queen and checkmate faster.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Anyways, kids, let's see in this case what better can be done. Okay. He plays here. Now, if he plays.
So why you are playing that?
Check.
Knight to g7.
Correct. Check. Comes here. Captured.
No, it will be very simple.
We can win actually this game. We must win. Okay. Check. Support. Don't have to worry. Okay. Bringing the king for support is important here, kids. Okay. Okay, now because I have the king with me, I don't have to worry. Yes, Nivan?
You cannot promote to a queen.
Whatever he plays now, okay, I am going to capture this. Okay, and now he cannot stop me from winning, kids, right? Let us see. Where will he go? Now can he come here? No. Can he come here? No.
No.
Can he come here? No. Only place is this. Once he comes, I'll play this. Support. Can he capture? No.
No.
Can he come here? No. He had choice only come here only, right? Then push this. If he comes, good. Play this. Again, can he come? No. He cannot go here. He cannot go here. Okay. Only place is this one again. Yeah. So push the pawn. Goes further. Because now in this case, neither he can go here, nor he can go here, nor here, because it is blocked. This is blocked. This is blocked. Okay. So either he can go here or here. Okay. Suppose he goes here, then you block this. Okay. Correct. He cannot come here because already blocked. Okay. So only choice is coming here. Push the pawn. Now, correct. Now you are winning this game, right? You don't need to even wait further. This is check and mate. You don't need another queen as well. I have support, giving check. He cannot go anywhere. Correct? Understood, kids? So in this case, after knight fork, okay, you need to play little wisely. Okay. For example, like this, or just try bringing your king for support.
Why you playing that? You can capture the h7 pawn quickly.
Yeah, I mean, that is fine. Or otherwise, as I said, bring the king for support, capture this pawn. Okay. And later on, you can capture, and with the help of these three, you don't need to worry about these 3 pawns earlier because they are controlling these 4 squares. Okay. King cannot enter this area at all. Okay. So if you bring the king here, it will be a support. Okay, kids. If you bring the king here, it will be support for you. Okay.
Mama, pani.
Okay. So any questions related to this puzzle, kids? Okay, let's go to the next one now.
Bottle.
Okay. White to play. Anay, what will you play now?
Sir?
White to play.
Knight capture the rook.
Address F7.
F7.
Very good. F7. Giving check.
I know that too.
Correct. Capturing the queen here. Yeah. So place here. Captured. Now what will black play? Suppose it comes here, we'll capture it. Captured. Okay. Although equal, but still white has one extra pawn. Okay. So there are chances that white will win this game. Correct? Because you have got one extra pawn. The only thing that you need to take care is if you move out your rook anywhere, there is a chances of back rank mate. Okay, so you need to be careful, kids.
G3.
G3. Where is G3? Okay, no, but it is black to play now, right?
Yeah.
Was it played here?
G3. Pawn to G3.
But you don't want to save your pawns here? You need to, right? Maybe. Now what will he do? He cannot capture this because it is supported. He cannot capture this because it is supported. Okay. Suppose he push the pawn. Now you can capture, but then you will lose your pawn as well. Okay. Let us see. Now, as I said, let's play pawn to g3.
Yeah, but you're playing G4.
You need to play g4. You want to play g4, but then it will get captured immediately, right?
Then we can play rook to E8 check.
Just giving check is not helpful, right? Suppose you played, he captured and you gave check. What will you achieve? In the next move, he is coming here, giving threat to your rook. Correct? It's not going to be checkmated, right? So why you need to give up your pawn? Here black push the pawn because if he captures, you are capturing this. 1 second, kids. Madhura, phone ge bara. Okay, kids. Now after this, you captured this, right? So you cannot even save this, right? Because you are losing the another pawn here. Okay, so giving one pawn and capturing two pawns, okay, that is beneficial for black. And now there are 3 pawns from black side and 3 pawns from white side. It is equal. Okay, so you need to be careful when somebody is offering free. You don't need to go for it actually immediately. Okay, instead maybe you can play this, keeping track on this. Even if it tries to push further, somewhere we will capture it. Okay, and later on move this so that it will not be back rank mate. Your rook can freely move. Okay, kids. So suppose you played this. Now he played this, and now what you can do, you play this. Okay, only one move. I am not playing two because otherwise it will get captured. Okay, and in the next move, whatever he plays, suppose he plays this, I can capture it now. Okay, or suppose he brought it here. Okay, if he tries to bring it here, that's fine. Okay, now maybe I can push the king. What he will do? Let's see. I don't have to worry. Both are supported. Yeah. If he tries to play this, I'll capture. Okay. So obviously he will not. We'll try to bring close here. Okay, I'm trying to attack on these 2 pawns so that I will have a pass pawn and I'll make a comfortable win here, kids. Okay, the 2 hurdles that we have.